Hello. Hi everyone. I am D. Punyavati, lecturer in Political Science, Government Degree College, Kaitabad, Hyderabad. Today we discuss the church and state relationship between the state and church. The church and state controversy relationship between uh, state and the church. The church provide the legitimate king, a king provide by the protection for the church and state relationship. And last session we discussed the church how protect the king and how king how protect the church. Indirectly, those members, church and king, indirectly relationship between indirectly supported each other. One, the king is a administrate the admit that the state in church and state controversy relationship how we maintain the state and church. Now today we discuss this session. Relationship between the state and the church. In the day when the Roman Empire adopted Christianity, the approach was headed on both on the state and the church, but the church grew the more than more strong and begin apply. This is the direct of the excommunications. The church began to the apply is uh, deduction of excommunications of the with observe the subjects of the prince from obedience and to him is obviously church popular by the more than the king. అంటే చర్చ్ రాజు కన్నా ఎక్కువ ప్రాధాన్యత పొందింది అప్పటి కాలంలో. when we see medieval period, the meaning of the separation of the church and state. See the church and state. The prepare the relationship cooperations not reflect the church and state serve the same people in the country. Some people in the country. Areas of the the church and the state, plural matter of the relations and religions and moral, plurality political matters and temporary aspects. People as blows the soul. We opposite directions when we see them the picture PPT. The constitutionally provisions of the church and state relationship on the law shall be made the respective and the establishment of the religion. No public money or property shall even be approached the applied the paid the employed the directly and indirectly for the those benefits and supported the any such church dominations and institutions or a system or the religion. They indirectly supported the indirectly supported the religions. That's why applying paid employment directly or indirectly, though no public money in the property and shall be even be approached by the this in applied paid or employment direction directly indirectly. This is any church dominations or in institutions or systematic of religions. The meaning of the establishment of the religion. The state shall have no official religion. The state cannot set up any church whether or not supported with public funds or aid one religion. Aid all religions are appear one's religions over another. every person is free to believe, believe, believe or dis, disable if any religions is give the importance of the religion. See them, every religion's ministers is free to the practice is calling, and state cannot punish a person for entering for the professing of religions beliefs on the disability life. Explanation for the taxations devoted and exclusively to religions are purpose. They give the importance of the only in church. They use the public money and properties, not the provisions on between the designees and forced to any person to government up on the they give the importance of the church only. They weekly also went to the church, and Christmas and Sundays are made legal holidays. There are the observed on the um, this is all are connect related with church. The law punished the make a big program criminals against the religious worship, or criminal against the fundamental laws on the state polygram, and have two more heaven bigram have exiting the registration registered marriages. This is the all related with only for church, religion and church. The political phases of the belief of organization of resources. What is the religion? The religion generally viewed as the system of the believed and believe and participate. It is a commonly called faith, referred to as system to believe the principles, directive symbols, and including the written and the practitioner norm are morally perfections, and painfully to men's relationship with the supernatural being. Creations are some powers behind the people way of life is associated with the meaning of the values, and people give the economical goods, labor, wealth, social classes, marriages, customs, political authority, and other aspect of the life. This is all connected with the religion. The system believe and the practices are the written in some from the document of the books as a Bible, Quran, book for Philippines, Independence Church, and the illegation of in Christos. The what is the meaning in church? How to connect the church is the all summary, and all meaning became come to the Bible and Quran. There are the all practically do them. ఈ ఈ బైబిల్ ఖురాన్లో జీవిత సారాన్ని కాకుండా మొత్తం మానవతా దృష్టితో ఏ ఏ ఎలా ప్రవర్తించాలో, ఎలాంటి విధానాలు అవలంబించాలో అన్ని ఆ పవిత్ర బుక్లలో గ్రంథాలలో రాసిందని చెప్పవచ్చు. ద చర్చ్ community of the person, the believer, and the specially religion denoted the physical evidence of the place where the believed and hold their religion activities, considered as a social structure, as social institutions, as a pattern in international interactions, persuasions, becoming a part of the way people live and organize themselves. This is the church views. And Johnstone accept in religion is a group of penogram which is a such a six chapterized can be applied with a identify in religion group. Johnson he give the specific six chapters that is connected with the religion group. At last, who two or more people who have established the creation pattern of the integrations with the common goal, share normal, and a role for every member of set of functions, a divisions, a labor, a system, a statute system, or heritages with different levels of power, authority, prestigious, and it is a corresponded role and the engagement. The members scenes of identifications with the group. This is the six chapters of the belief in the identify the religion group. This is written John Stone. The religious movement have been know that directly faced upon the political causes such as revolutions, independence, secularizations, modernizations, secularization of the modern and secular institutions. So those are coming movements. Religion movements can become a religious revolutions, independence, secularizations, modernizations, re-secularizations of the modern and secular institutions. They come to the independence. The religions is most the important the compound of the political culture and element from the instant civilization as such as China, Middle East, and the Middle Europe's Quran serve the Muslims beside from the Islamic base. The basic from the claim are by the Christian church leaders and monocracy during Europeans medieval period to establish the domination of the church and state. They come to the government that the monocracy and supported take in the church also. Religion can be considered the important political resources. Science, religions, equalities, then the morality people can be challenged to political action. When political issues are the patched, the religions terms believer can be motivated toward create from the community and actions. This is the relationship of the how to connect the church and state, how to relationship in each between state and church. What is the pluralistic democracy? It is describe the political system where there is more than the one center of power. The church and religion groups found the political involvement under the principles of the church and state. He is connected with the church and better relations with the church and state. In the cases of the Philippines and political corruptions and social role of the religion, church and religion groups can be situated in the Philippines colonial history. Political silence in the Philippines. The political relevant religions in Philippines are Islamic, Rome, Catholic, Protestants. Since in the 1950, the religion belief of the illegal crust and many religions movement have also extended their political influence. They connected with political also influenced by the church in 1950s. Among the church and Catholic Church has begun the separate colonization of the Philippines and was the subject of the Philippines revolutions of Spain in 1890s. In 1947, Philippines has already under the constitutions provided the separations of the church and the state. Catholic Church and the other churches founded new areas from the political involvement, each as elections, policy making, and interest the culture. There is a separated with each state and church in 90s, 1890s and 1940s. the separation with church and state. అంటే రెండు కలిసి ఉన్నవి అవి విడిపోవడం కూడా జరిగిందని చెప్పవచ్చు. The Catholic Church has been known for its influence over the it large membership of during elections. In 1986, people power the revolutions. Catholic Church and variations of Protestant Church took activity position that helped the toply President Ferdinand Mexico. In 2001, in event the President John stepped down from office, the Catholic Church and to let the visible out the significance way from the protection of the church took a political vital role in political mobilization and the rigging of changes. Is the church and state there come between gap and we two each separated with each separate one institutions. రాజ్యము చర్చ్ మధ్య విడిపోవడంతో చర్చ్ ఒక ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్గా ఒక సంస్థగా రాజ్యం ఒక సంస్థగా ఏర్పడిందని చెప్పవచ్చు. ఇది 1890s 1940s ఈ రెవల్యూషన్ అంతా జరిగిందని విప్లవాత్మక మార్పులు జరిగినవని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. Muslims groups are critically in the issues of the constitutionalism, political and national integrations, and consider the years of the resistance and struggle for against the Philippines state. Is a Muslims are also struggle for the against the church and state. To see them, the elections legislative crisis has long been associated with diluted votings. Other religions, organizations, is movement in the practically and Jesus is Lord for fellowship and political values. This is connected with the church and state relations, and you give the moral values and you give them the fellowships also in Jesus Lord. The church affairs and the state, there in between church and state, there fire control the church. Church is the unity and the influence to the state, having the position of the privileges. The fire were able to manipulate of the state and controlled by the fears. There is a connected each other, state and fair and church. Early father of the church. When we see this all connected with when we see the powers and revolutions come with all separate and come to the revolutions, power revolutions in 1918s and 1819s also. They come to the they encourage with church also in indirectly in state also. They give the fellowships awards also. When we see the church state relationship, అంటే చర్చుతో రాజ్యానికి సంబంధాలు విభజించబడిన చర్చ్ యొక్క ఆధిపత్యంలోనే పనిచేసిందని చెప్పవచ్చు. he is connected with to each others in church and state. When we see the in the church and state relationship, church and state relationship, we give them the medieval period. he give the importance of Middle East period. In European, we religion is the most important the political culture and as well as to church related with the relations civilization from ancient civilizations such as China, Middle East and Quran, also Muslims based from the Muslimic base. There is a separately do the church and state. When we see the picture, when we see the picture in the church and state, sometimes is a against, sometimes to related to the each other in matter with the religions, and this is connected with the church and plural political matters and contemporary aspects connected with the state. That is the people as ambassador of the soul is see them relations, religions and church. The political phases behind the organized the sources. It is the relationship between state and church. When we see them, church and state, uh, how to protect the each one in religions. It is generally systematically and commonly called faith. It is the principles and symbols including the roles more in man and relationship with the supernatural, mm, beginning with the creation of the some powers and behind that is the religion. When we see the church, మనము చర్చ్ను గుర్తించినట్లయితే రిలీజన్ పరంగా అంటే కుల పరంగా మత పరంగా ఎక్కువ ప్రాధాన్యత కాకుండా మానవత, you give the humanity grounds, you give them the humanity levels and give them the important of the human values. That is the connected with the church. Then when we see the state, the state is a think about welfare schemes and welfare state in people. అంటే రాజ్యమేమో ప్రజల గురించి ఆలోచించడము, చర్చ్ ఏమో ప్రజల మానవతా దృష్టి గురించి ఆలోచించడం. దే ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ ఈచ్ అదర్ టు ఈచ్ 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 రిలేషన్షిప్ ఇన్ ద state and church. They conclude the elections and the legislative process with associate with voting and other religion organization movements. Particularly, they give the some fellowship, church and state fire scheme. Representations of the how to church state connected with the church. In the early man in the to the church, the Saint Augustine, the most influence of the early father of the student of the Ambrosius, is a most important work of the city of the gold proposed. Proposes is the definitely church against the charge, the level of the against the its element of the Christian was Christianity was re responsible for the all Roman and Catholic of the vision. First 10 books he views of the man is society, how to reconcile is the religion, decolate and political authority is the one of the person in the in mm, related with the church and Saint Augustine తన భావాలతో చర్చకుండే ప్రాధాన్యతను ఇస్తూనే యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ రాజ్యానికి ఉండవలసిన లక్షణాలు కూడా చెప్తూ రాజ్యానికి చర్చకు మధ్య ఉన్న సంబంధాన్ని వివరించడం జరిగింది. ఈ రాజ్యము చర్చ్ యొక్క సంబంధాలను కాకుండా నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్లో we discuss about the next session we discuss about the Augustine, Saint Augustine again, Saint Augustine Ambrose, two words theory, two swords theory, and Saint Thomas Aquinas feelings. These all are discuss the next session. This is the important in relationship in the church and state, in state and church controversy. Is give the views on the on our views. When we see the Augustine and Thomas Aquinas, we equal priority give them the state and church. When we in our in the Thomas views is see the all values and importance give the in as well as the church and state. When we see next session, we think about the state and church and state controversy and the views about the Saint Augustine and Thomas Aquinas. Thank you very much.